Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to log in an Edward Jones credit card. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is simply tap open a web browser of your preference and type in the URL www.edwardjonescreditcard.com/onlinecard/login. Once you do this, you will end up in the official website of your credit card login page. So in the login section, simply type in your password of your Edward Jones credit card and hit the continue button. If you have forgotten your personal ID, then simply tap on forgot your personal ID and follow the prompts given on screen. And if you have not even created a Edward Jones credit card, then simply hit the enroll button and you are all set with your Edward Jones credit card. So this is how you log in an Edward Jones credit card. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.